I'm not the assistant.
Yes, you are.
Guys, people at home have done loads of comments on our last slime video. Who wins the slime? So, tell everybody what we've got, Angel. It's so exciting.
We've got all of this.
We've
We've
got
got labels.
Angel's got her very own labels to stick onto the bottles to teach you guys at home how to make slime at home.
And my dad is going to make one for you guys.
Yeah. So guys, if you commented at home on our last video that you wanted to win some slime, we've got all these bottles to fill up with slime, and then we're going to send it to you, and then you can make it at home.
Yeah. Right, let's get started.
Okay.
Daddy, where's the glue?
Right, I've got the glue here. This is the big massive tub of glue, and we'll put it into this jug.
Good, you're the right one. I thought it was
And then we'll...
builder glue.
No, it's not builder glue. This is proper slime glue, and then we'll fill these up, and then we'll put a lid on.
And the label.
And the label, and then we'll send them out to somebody who's left a comment. And keep watching the video to the end, guys, because right at the end of the video...
I got it there. Nana.
Pour it in. When we get to the end, guys, we're going to tell everybody who won the competition. So keep watching, guys, and we're going to make one of these slime kits to show you how to do it.
Ooh.
There you go, guys. Angel's poured the slime in. It's going into the bottle. Ooh. Angel.
Yeah?
We need to make some slime activator. We've got a big bag of slime activator.
Let me feel.
You feel that?
Ooh, that's so heavy.
It's really heavy. And what we're
We
going
need
to...
some water.
Yeah, we do, yeah. And guys, we've got these little bags, and we're going to put the slime activator in the bags, and we'll show you at the end how to make this kit. So keep watching to the end, and when we send the kit out, you'll be able to see how to do it. So you're going to show everybody how to make it, aren't you, Angel? Yeah?
We just went outside and it was so rainy, wasn't it?
It's...
You got so wet and I had a coat on. My brothers.
There is a really bad storm tonight, guys.
Where's mine? First, we need the glue and the bowl.
Yep. So pour all that into there. Pour all your glue that you get into the kit into your bowl, or you can use anything. So pour all that in.
Anything to make slime.
Yep. And then this bottle that we've sent you with your glue in, what you do is you wash it out and then you fill it up with a little bit of water.
Now I'm going to fill this up with water. Bye.
Yep. I'll hold this here and put all the glue into the tray. This is the glue that we're going to send you guys. Angel's just going to get some water. So remember, wash this container.
It's right to the top.
Okay, right. Take all the glue out, and then you wash this little bottle out, and then you'll have some powder that comes with your kit in this little bag, and you mix the little bit of powder into this tub, and it makes slime activator.
Yeah. It smells so good, Daddy. You smell. Do you smell, guys?
You smell at home? I don't think so. It's a video. Only a little tiny bit of that, Angel, because it won't work.
The bubbles.
Right, you open this little bag up.
We don't have a spoon.
Oh, I've got a spoon.
I need to mix
Yep.
it now.
So you get this little bag, what's going to come with your slime kit, and we've got a little funnel.
Now I'm just mixing it.
Yep, you mix the slime up, you put that in there. Just a little bit of powder.
Oh no, I'm choosing the wrong colour. Ah! I wanted blue because it's going to be blue because that's blue. You're going to do some pink. Like a girl, so we switching places. Actually, it's not a date tonight.
So now I've put all my powder in there, put the lid on, like that. Shake it up. And now this makes your slime activator, which you need to put into your slime kit.
Next, I'm going to put the blue.
So Angel, you put some colour in there.
You're going to use pink.
Yeah, I'll use pink slime when I make mine. Shall I just make some slime straight out of this tub? Oh. That's it, guys.
Daddy, it's not coming out.
loads of colour.
Oh, look how gloomy and nice it's going to turn.
That looks really nice, that slime, Angel. Right, okay, so this is I've put all my slime glue in there. This is my activator, shaking it up.
Daddy, Leah's asleep upstairs.
Oh yeah, I'm shaking it up. I'm gonna put a little bit of colour in, just a little tiny bit, and then
I think that might be ready for your mix.
And then I'm gonna mix it up like that.
Mine's
Guys,
ready.
is yours ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really nice.
Mine needs for slime activator.
But guys, we haven't got any colour to send you because that's the only one that we've got. So you can get your own colour, but you can make white slime as well.
Now, so I'm putting the slime activator in.
Yep, put a little bit of slime activator in. And that's my slime mix.
Everything matched.
Now we need some of this that you've made at home in the little bottle that we've sent you. You just a few drops and then mix it up. And already, guys, it's going slimy.
Look at mine. Ooh. It looks like real glue. Now I need more slime activator.
Yep.
Look how full the moon tonight, because it's going to be. Yesterday it was yellow, and now tonight it's going to be red. There was a blue moon before.
My slime's nearly ready, Angel.
Well, it might be a bit sticky.
I'll just use a little bit more activator. See, guys, you need a really little bit of this activator. You should keep this and get your mummies and daddies to buy you some more glue, and they can make their own some more slime at home, can't they? With this activator, keep this because this is hard to get in England. My slime is nearly ready to go into my hands. Look. Okay, guys, are ready to take it out? Do you think that's ready, Angel?
Yuck, that looks disgusting.
Ready? Here we go.
Still mixing with my spoon. You just got that everywhere, Daddy. You're cleaning it up now.
Whoops. It's nearly ready.
Daddy, you say don't use airwick and I use airwick for my slime. And airwick.
You can use airwick in your slime, guys. This one, airwick 6-in-1, because it actually stops it being sticky. So when you've got it nearly ready, that's a good thing to add, isn't it, Angel?
Yeah. I need some more 6-in-1.
Oh, Angel, look at this.
Whoa, that looks so nice, Daddy.
So guys, this is what you'll be making at home. You'll have your own slime just like this.
Oh, Daddy, I'm still mixing. You're already done.
I know.
This is how you mix with your hands. You need to mix it for a couple of whiles and it will turn out really nice. Like this. One, two, three.
Yay!
I told you, Daddy, it works. And the bullies and the stretch user.
It is. Should we read the names out now then?
Yeah. First name is?
Okay guys, I'm going to get my phone and look at everybody who left a comment on our slime video who wants to win some, and then we're going to send you your slime kit. Put my email in the comments down below and then you can send me an email with the address and we will post out these kits. Whoa, popping slime. So Angel's going to stick these labels onto the bottles And that's the label, so you know that Angel's done every one of them herself.
Everyone of them myself?
Yeah, stick some labels on and I'll read the names out. Right guys, are you ready for the names? I'm going to read them out, there's quite a few of them because
Here's the first one.
Yeah, so put that there, we'll fill it up with glue. Right, are you ready? Lydia Bannington, Chloe Cute, these are all your names on YouTube. Maybe not your real name, but these are the names that you name. Marissa's Toy Box, Lisa Rock, Jay Has Skills, A-Man, Shalina Coyle, Sugar Puff,
and you guys
Shelly Massel.
And you guys really good job.
Yeah, good job guys for commenting on our last video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let us know that we've called your name out. Krzysztof, Adam,
There's glue there.
Emily Adams. Yeah, put a label on that. It's got glue in, but put the label on. Reece Sims, Carl Malburn, Janice Sunman, Aveen Lorden, Debbie Speed, Lauren Huddlestone, Hell's Keeper 5, and Abby Ramsden.
Yeah.
So all you guys, you've all won a slime kit, and we'll be posting them out. When should we post them?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We'll post them all out tomorrow. We'll package them up. We'll post them out. So leave a comment down below if we called your name out, just so we know you've won. If you didn't win, leave a comment down below so we know you want to win in the next competition. Alright guys, we're going to send you out a tub of glue, some activator, mix them together with a bit of water. So guys, it's the time for the end of the video. If you want to make this perfect slime, just leave a comment. Bye!
Down below.